The best way to make money on YouTube without showing your face or without recording your video, not by being approved into the YouTube Partner Program, but it's by having... Well, before I show you how this actually works, before I share with you which niche this actually is and how to actually set up a channel like this for yourself, it's called 10x Income, and they started a month and a half ago. Like you can see, they started posting like in February, and currently it's March, so like around 1.5 months they actually started posting videos. And according to Social Blade, they're making about $7,000. That the owner of the channel has never revealed their face in these videos. They're not showing their face, they're not recording anything with a camera, yet they are getting thousands of views and obviously making tens of thousands of dollars a month. And as you can see, with a very high CPM. OneU.com, which is a very useful tool and also a free one, where you can just go to UChat and you can ask for a recommendation for a channel name. So perhaps I'm just gonna go with 10 ideas for a YouTube channel name about how to make money online. And let's see what they're actually gonna come up with. They should give us some recommendations. And here we have a couple of ideas, and then you can just select which one you like the most. Just click on more and then click on imagine, and there you can just enter a brief prompt. So for example, I'm gonna go with a rich person portrait. I'm gonna go with ultra realistic, and let them use whatever you want. You can go with a money bag or anything. I'm also gonna leave a link to a video in the description box down below, but it's basically a video editing software, a completely beginner friendly video editing software where you have tens of thousands of different templates, and you also have a lot of stock footage and stock photos to use in those videos without getting any copyright issues or whatsoever. Ask ChatGPT to write paragraphs for your YouTube scripts. For example, ask it to write an intro for your YouTube script, and another 200 words, another 200 words. Right over here, it talks about how to make. You can either read the script yourself into the microphone, apps.io, where you can just paste your script in this box and they will generate the voiceover for you. And you can select which type of voice you prefer, and they actually sound really good. It doesn't sound robotic, and it doesn't sound like an actual AI is reading the text. So you just want to create an account for free music generator, which gives you original music which you can use in your YouTube videos. You can use background music in those YouTube videos. You can select genre, and as you can see, it's for creators. You can stop worrying about copyright strikes and start discovering unique royalties from the Online Business Academy. But we already have hundreds of affiliates making tens of thousands of dollars same products on YouTube. So this method actually works, and you can definitely test it out in literally any niche that you can think of, as long as it's related to online business and making money online.